Simply Hired Freelance Honest Review Watch before using. Most people searching for freelance work feel overwhelmed by job boards, but here's the surprising truth. Some platforms quietly provide access to thousands of hidden opportunities, and Simply Hired is one of them. Simply Hired is a job search engine that aggregates freelance, remote, part-time, and full-time jobs from across the internet into one searchable platform. Here's what most people get wrong. They think Simply Hired is a freelancing marketplace. In reality, it links you to employer postings from many job sources. You can filter jobs by location, pay range, remote work, and job type. This helps freelancers quickly find relevant opportunities. Simply Hired is best for freelancers who want access to a wide variety of job listings in one place. However, the surprising truth is that you still apply through third-party websites, not directly inside Simply Hired. The surprising truth is that better job discovery increases your chances of landing work. If you want to find more freelance job leads faster, Simply Hired is worth using. Subscribe to the channel for more freelance tips and honest job platform reviews.